Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy and doing great in maths. Today we are doing some more questions of chapter number 12. Name of chapter is time, and you can see here we are writing time in 24-hour clock, time given in 12-hour clock. When time given in AM and PM, it means this is given in 12-hour clock, and this is to write in 24-hour clock. So this is 5 PM. As I told you, before dots are hours and after dots are minutes. So 5 hours and 00 minute. Whenever time is given in PM, this is given in AM. अगर PM और AM में है, it means this is given in 12-hour clock, and this is to write in 24-hour clock. क्या करना है? अगर PM में है, time given in PM, and this is PM कब लिखते हैं? When we have to write time after midday. Midday के बाद का time we have to write in PM. So whenever time written in PM, we have to add 12 in hours. So now when we add 12 in 5, we will get 17. And how many minutes? 00. These are hours, these are minute. 17 hours 00 minute. But this time we will not write PM and AM, only we have to get answer in hours. Next part of the question, 7.05. These are hours, these are minute, but time given in AM. This is given in 12-hour clock, and this is to write in 24-hour clock. 12 को 24 में लिखना है. What is to do? यहाँ पर AM में है, it means हमको प्लस नहीं करना. These are hours, these are minutes. But the hours having only one digit, तो हमें एक ज़ीरो और ऐड करना है. And these are hours, and how many minutes? 05 minutes. Now this time we will not write AM, we will write answer in hours. One more time. When time given in AM and PM, this is given in 12 hour. 12 hour को 24 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए AM और PM मेंशन नहीं करते. We have to mention hours in answer in hours. Before dots hours, after dots minutes. अगर टाइम AM में है तब हमको 12 प्लस नहीं करने होते. Only we have to write same. But hours having one digit, so we have to one more 0. And how many hours? 07 hours and 05 minutes. No, don't write AM, and write answer in hours. Now we are doing two more parts of the question. 8 AM, time given in AM, और AM में है तो क्या करना है? Simply AM को रिमूव करना है और डॉट्स को रिमूव करना है. So but hour having one digit, so we have to get answer in two digits. 10 we have to add before 8. And how many minutes? 00 minutes. And we have to get answer in hours. Next part of the question, 11:20 PM. Time given in PM. It means we have to add 12 in hours. Before dots are hours. When we add 12 in 11, we will get 23. 20 hours. Now we will not write PM, we will write hours. जब हम 12 प्लस करेंगे 11 में, we will get 20 and minute remains same. And we will not write PM, we will write hours. Next part of the question. Here, write the following time using 12-hour clock. Time given in 24-hour clock, and this is to write in 12 hour. 24 को 12 में लिखना है. यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे थे? 12 को 24 में. We are writing 12-hour clock into 24. But here time given in 24, this is to write in 12. What is to do? As first question, 18.18:10. It means 2 digit for the hours, 2 digit for the minutes. If hours more than 12, that time we have to subtract 12. अगर 12 आवर में लिखना है, अगर आवर्स 12 से ज़्यादा है तो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 12 फ्रॉम द 18. व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 12 फ्रॉम द 18, वी विल गेट 6 एंड डॉट्स देन 10. क्योंकि हमको दिस इज़ द टाइम आफ्टर मिड डे सब्ट्रैक्शन करना पड़ रहा है, सो वी हैव टू राइट टाइम इन PM. So time is 6:10 PM. Next part of the question. Firstly, we are doing this side. 1400 hours. 14 more than 12. Subtract 12 from the 14. We will get 2. And then we will subtract hours and minute because we are writing time in 12-hour clock. So 2 dot and then how many 0 to add? 2. 2 hours and 00 minute. बिकॉज सब्ट्रैक्शन करना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज दिस इज़ द टाइम आफ्टर मिड डे के बाद हम स्टार्ट काउंटिंग 13 14. सो नाउ बिकॉज दिस इज़ द टाइम आफ्टर मिड डे सो वी विल राइट इन PM. 19 15 hours. 19 2 these are hours, these are minute. If hours more than 12 it means we have to subtract 12 from the hours. We will subtract 19 में से 12 subtract करेंगे. We will get 7 and then these are hours, these are minute. And because subtraction करना पड़ रहा है 12 से ज़्यादा hours हैं so we will get answer in PM because this is the time after midday and after midday we will start writing PM. Now we are doing some more question. 340 hours. These are hours, these are minute, but these are less than 12. It means subtract नहीं करना, only we will separate by dot. These are hours, these are minute, and this time we will write AM because this is the time less than 12 and this is the time before noon, so we will write in AM. Next part of the question, same as the previous one. These are hours, first 2 digits hour, for last 2 digits minutes. So these are hours. How many hours? 7. 7 less than 12. So simply dot add kariye and then you have to mention answer in AM because we are not subtracting. This is not time more than 12. More than 12 का मतलब time after midday. 6:45. These are hours, these are minute. 6 less than 12, same. We will separate by the columns. These are hours, these are minute because these are time less than 12, so we will mention in AM. Now we are doing some more questions. Now complete the following using AM or PM. Here we have to complete these fill-ups by writing AM or PM. Simply we have to write time in AM and PM. 2 hours before noon. This is the time of noon, exactly midday, 12 noon. And before, whenever before is given, we have 2 hours before. It means 2 hours before means 2 hours before noon. Before में है तो we have to subtract 2 from the 12. अगर after होता that time we have to add. So before is given, it means 2 hours we have to subtract from the 12 because we have to find 2 hours before 12. It means 12 noon में से जब 2 hours subtract करेंगे but we will get 10. And 10 कौन सा होगा क्योंकि this is the time before midday, so time will be in AM. Time is 10 AM. 3 hours after. This time after. Time क्या है? 11:30 PM. Time is 11:30 PM. And from where we will start writing PM? After midday. मिडडे का जो 12 मिडडे के बाद जो 1 होता है वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग PM. 1 2 3 4 5. तो 11:30 कब होता है? एट नाइट. 11:30. दिस इज़ द 11:30 के लिए एट नाइट वी विल राइट PM. This is the 11:30 of night. And we have to, because after given it means we have to add 3 hours in 11:30. What time you will get? 11:30, then 12:30, then 1:30. 11:30 already given, then 12:30, then 1:30, then 2:30. 2:30 कौन सा होगा? After midnight. And after midnight we will start writing AM. One more time I am repeating this question. 3 hours after. After means plus. 3 hours plus करने in the given time. Time क्या है? 11:30 PM. 11:30 PM कौन सा है? At night. When you add 3 hours in 11:30, 11:30 plus 1, 12:30 plus 1, 1:30 plus 1, 2:30. 2:30 is the time after midnight, and after midnight we will start writing AM. 4 hours after. 1:30 PM. 1:30 कौन सा है? After midday. लंच के बाद का टाइम होता है, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द मिड डे के बाद स्टार्ट राइटिंग PM. सो दिस इज़ द टाइम आफ्टर मिड डे, मिड डे के बाद का टाइम है. 4 आवर्स आपको 1:30 में प्लस करने हैं, बिकॉज टाइम वी हैव टू फाइंड 4 आवर्स आफ्टर 1:30. सो वी हैव टू एड 4 in 1, 4 + 1 इज इक्वल टू 5. टाइम विल बी 5:30 एंड 5:30 कौन सा, इवनिंग का, जहाँ पर भी हमको PM में आंसर लिखना होता है. वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट आंसर इन PM. Now, one more part of the question. 1 hour after 11:15 AM. This is the time AM. AM means before midday. This is the time before midday. Midday से पहले का टाइम होता है. And after 1 hour after यानी 1 hour प्लस करना है in 11:15 AM में. जब आप 1 hour प्लस करेंगे 11:15 में, you will get 12:15. एंड 12:15 कौन सा है, मिड डे, आफ्टर मिड डे. एंड आफ्टर मिड डे वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग PM. सो टाइम विल बी 12:15 PM. PM के बाद हम कौन सा टाइम लिखना शुरू कर देते हैं, 12 मिड डे के बाद PM. सो टाइम विल बी 12:15 PM. नाउ वी हैव टू कंप्लीट दीज fill-ups as given. Riddhi gets up in the morning. This is the morning time. Riddhi gets up in the morning 6:10. This is the time when she get up in the morning. So what is to write? We have to represent time in AM, because time in the morning we have to write in AM. So time is 6:10 AM. Vinu eats her lunch. This is the lunch time. Lunch time कब होता है, after midday. And after midday we will start writing PM. So time is 1:30 PM. मिड डे, नून के जो 12 o'clock होते हैं, आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग PM. सो दिस इज़ द लंच टाइम. लंच कब करते हैं, मिड डे में. एंड दिस इज़ द टाइम ऑफ 1:30 मिड डे. सो वी हैव टू राइट इन PM. द सन राइजेस. सूरज कब राइज करता है, इन द मॉर्निंग. सो दिस इज़ द मॉर्निंग टाइम. We will write 6:30 AM because we have to write morning time in AM. The sun sets. Sets means chipna. When sun sets, in the evening, and evening time we have to write in PM. Rahul eats his dinner. When we eat dinner, we eat dinner at night. और नाइट टाइम को हम किस में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, PM में. So I am repeating all one more time. As you can see, complete the following. Here we have to complete 2 hours before given time में से माइनस करते हैं, आफ्टर प्लस करते हैं. 2 hours before 12 noon. 12 noon यानी मिड डे. मिड डे से जब आप 2 hours माइनस करोगे, you will get 10. and this is the time before midday, so we will write AM. 3 hours after. आफ्टर मीन्स प्लस करना है, 11 में 3 प्लस करने हैं. और ये टाइम कौन सा है, नाइट का, PM. 11:30 PM कब होते हैं, एट नाइट. सो 11:30 + 3 इज इक्वल टू 2:30. एंड दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ आफ्टर मिडनाइट. सो वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन AM. मिडनाइट के बाद के टाइम को वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट इन AM. 4 hours आफ्टर. आफ्टर मीन्स बाद में. We have to add, after means we have to add 4 hours in given time. 4 + 1 is equal to 5. 1:30, this is the time of midday. When you add 4 hours in 1:30 midday, you will get 5:30, and this is the evening time. And also we have to represent evening time in PM. 1 hour after. After means plus करना है. 11 + 1 is equal to 12. 11:15 AM. This is the time बिफोर मिड डे. मिड डे से पहले का टाइम है 11:15. जब आप 1 hour प्लस करोगे तो मिड डे हो जाएगा. दिस इज द 12:15 ऑफ मिड डे. और बिकॉज 15 मिनट ऑलरेडी पास, सो वी विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन PM. सो आंसर वी विल गेट इन PM. Some more parts of the question. Rithi gets up in the morning. Whenever morning given, you have to write in AM, because morning time we have to write in AM. Binu eat her lunch. Lunch कब करते हैं, आफ्टर मिड डे. सो मिड डे, आफ्टर मिड डे करते हैं कभी, समटाइम वी टेक लंच बिफोर मिड डे. थोड़ा सा 12 o'clock से थोड़ा सा पहले भी कर लेते हैं. लंच कब होता है आपका, 11:45 पर होता है ना. अगर टाइम मिड डे से पहले है, 12 o'clock से पहले, दैट टाइम वी हैव टू राइट इन AM. अगर 12 o'clock के बाद है, वी हैव टू राइट इन PM बिकॉज दिस इज द टाइम आफ्टर मिड डे 1:30, सो वी हैव टू राइट इन PM. सन राइजेज एट 6:30. राइज माने उगना. कब राइज करता है सूरज? सन 6:30 and this is the time of morning, and always we have to represent morning time in AM, so we will write in 6:30 AM. Sun rises at 6:30 AM. When sun rises? Sun rises in the morning and time will be in AM. The sun sets. When sun sets? In the evening, and for the evening time we have to write in PM, so time will be 5:40 PM. Rahul eats his dinner. When we eat dinner? We eat dinner after midday, or we can say in night, in evening, and for this we have to write time in PM. So in this way we can write time in AM and PM, and we can also convert time in 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. I am repeating one more time. As I told you, here we have to convert 12-hour into 24-hour. If time is given in AM or PM, it means this is given in 12-hour clock. एंड 12 को 24 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए AM और PM को रिमूव करना होता है, बीच में से डॉट्स भी रिमूव करने होते हैं, एंड वी हैव टू राइट आंसर इन आवर्स. सपोज टाइम इज 4:00 AM. What is to do? These are hours, these are minute. We will not use this, we will not write this. Only we have to write hours and minutes. And before dots are hours, after dots are minute. लेकिन hours having only single digit, so we have to write in 2 digits, 0 for hours and 00 minute, and we will write answer in hours. Suppose 3:15 PM. This is given in 12-hour clock, and we have to write in 24-hour clock. Time given in PM. PM means this is the time after midday. Whenever time given in PM, we have to add 12 in 3. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. 15 hours, 15 minutes, and we will get answer in hours. We will not get answer in PM and AM. PM और AM में answer नहीं आएगा. We will get answer in hours. We will not use these columns. How to write time in 12-hour clock when time given in 24-hour clock? Suppose one more example is given. 17:20 hours. This is given in 24. 24 में given है, 12 में लिखना है. कैसे पता चला ये 24 में? Because these are given in hours. How to write? First 2 digit hours, last 2 digits minutes. And because these digits are more than 12, अगर time hours 12 से ज़्यादा है, we have to subtract 12 from the 17. When you subtract 12 from the 17, you will get 5. Now we will use dots because we are writing time in 12-hour clock. These are hours. How many minutes? 20. And because this is time after midday, क्योंकि subtract करना पड़ रहा है, 12 से ज़्यादा time था, so we have to write in PM. So in this way, we can convert time in 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock.